Hello everyone, it's Thao. Welcome back to Introduction to Java series. Today, we will talk more about arithmetic operation. From last lecture, we already know about assignment and arithmetic operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. For assignment, we use a single equal sign when we want to assign a value to a variable. For example, we have int num1 assignment 2. We declare variable num1 have the data type as int and assign a value of 2 to num1. We can also change the value of num1 by using operator. Num1 assignment num1 plus 3. That means we replace the previous value of num1 by the new value on the right-hand side of the statement as num1 plus 3. We can also express this statement by another way as num1 plus assignment 3. It's a shorthand operator. By this way, we don't need to write num1 twice. Next, arithmetic division. We need to be careful with division operator. For example, we have 11 divide 5 equal to, because both 11 and 5 are integer, so the result of a division of two integers is integer. However, if we change the left operand of the division to double as 11.0 divide 5, the result we get here is 2.2, not 2 anymore. So today, we will talk about increment, decrement, type conversion, class operator, relational and logical operators. First, let's talk about increment, decrement. Increment, for example, we have n plus plus, that means we add 1 to variable n, and that have the same meaning with n assignment, n plus 1. n plus plus is postfix. We can also do prefix s plus plus n. It has the same result with n plus plus. We can also do decrement by n minus minus. That means we subtract 1 from variable n, and it has the same meaning with n assignment n minus 1. It has the prefix s minus minus n. Now, I want to talk about type conversion. When we do an arithmetic operation of two or more variables, if their data types don't match, they need to be converted. The conversion occurs in this order: double, float, and long integer. So for example, if one of the variables is double, other variables in the operation need to be converted to double. And if we don't have any double variable, but we have float variable, so other variable type will be converted to float. The same with long integer. If we don't have any double or float variable, but long integer variable, other variables will be converted to long integer. The type conversion in Java is implicit, but we have cast operator. It also converts one type into another, but explicitly. So we have to write explicit cast operator in general form as target type expression. So for example, we know that 11.0 divide 5 equal to 2.2. But if we want to convert the outcome of this expression to integer, we need to do as int 11.0 divide 5. So int here is target type. And we can see the outcome of this expression after cast operator is equal to. Because the cast operator converts the outcome of the expression from double to int, so it discards the fraction part and only keep the integer part. The parenthesis of the expression is necessary. Otherwise, the cast operator only converts the 11.0 to int, not the outcome of the division. The cast is necessary because it's not automatic to convert from double to int. The type conversion only converts from int to double. And when cast operator involve a narrowing conversion, information might be lost. As you can see above, after convert the outcome of 11.0 divide 5 from double to int, the fraction part is lost, and the outcome after that just the integer part. Now, let's talk about relational and logical operators. We have double equal sign for equality and exclamation equal sign for inequality. Notice that in Java or any other programming language, the single equal sign is not for equality, it's for assignment. For equality, we have to use double equal sign. Besides, we have less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than and equal. And we use double ampersand represent for and double vertical bar represent for or. The outcome of relational and logical operators is true or false. Next, let's do a demo. Let's open NetBeans. Now we create a new project. In categories is Java, and in projects is Java application. Click next. In project name, I will name it as operators. Click finish. Now as you can see, we have class operators and main method. However, as I see here, the size of the document is a little small, so I want to make it bigger by going to NetBeans Preference. And here we can see we have different options. I will go ahead and click fonts and colors. Now we can change font of the document, and I will click in three dots here. We have fonts, font style or size. You can choose the font you want and style you want. I will go ahead to change the size to be bigger as 18. Click OK and apply and OK. Now, as you can see, we have bigger size of the document. Let's start do some demo. First, I will do some division and modulus. I will declare some variable as int number equal 10. Now, I want to do a division. Int division. Assignment int number divide 3 and print it out. System.out.println parenthesis open quotation mark, and I will do some text here. Value of int division colon closing quotation mark plus int division, and run program to see. So now in the output window, we have value of int division 3. So what about if we change the data type of the outcome of the division as double D division assignment int number divide 3 and print it out. System.out.println value of D division and plus D division, and run the project. And we have here value of D division 3.0. We know that the outcome of the division of 10 divide 3 is 3.333. But even when we change the data types of the outcome to double, it's still just 3.0. So why is this? It's because in the division, we have int number as integer and 3 is still integer. So the result of 2 integer is integer. So what happened if we change the type of operand to double? Before that, I want to create a blank line here as system.out.println. Okay, so now let's declare a variable which is double number assignment 10.0, and I will do some division with this variable int I division assignment double number divide 3. You see we got an error here. Now we have incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from double to int. So what's this? Because we have double number is double, but we want the result SI division is int. So Java doesn't allow us to do that. Let's comment it out. Let's do double division. Assignment double number divide 3 and print the result. System.out.println value of double division and plus double division. Let's run the program. Now we have double division 3.33. Wow, yeah, that's look good. That's what we want. As you can see, we have double number is double, but 3 is integer. It's no way for compiler to do a division if two operands don't have compatible type. That's why we have an type conversion here. Because we have double number is double and 3 is integer, so we have one of two operands as double, so that's why 3 be converted to double. After that, the program do the division. In int I division, we can also make it work by using the cast operator. So let's delete the command and we can do int here and parenthesis. And now we don't have an error anymore. Let's print it out to see the result. System.out.println value of I division plus I division and run the project. And you can see value of I division now is 3. So because double number divide 3, the outcome of this expression is double, but we convert it to int. So the fraction of the outcome is discarded. We only get the integer part of the outcome. And I will comment it out as cast operator. Now I want to do some modulus with int in number. So with that, I will do int in remainder. Assignment int number modulus 3 and system.out.println value of int remainder plus int remainder and run the project. Now we have value of int remainder as 1 with the double number. Double remainder. Assignment double number modulus 3 and system.out.println value of double remainder and plus double remainder and run the program. Oh, I got an error. Why is this? Cannot find simple. Yeah, because as you see, we have a red underline here. So because I mistyped the method, so let's fix it. Now that's look good. Run the project. Yeah, we have value of double remainder as 1.0. Okay, let's make a blank line here. Next, let's do some increment and decrement. Increment, decrement. I want to increment in number. So let's do in number plus plus and print it out. System.out.println in number after increment and plus int number. I will do decrement with double number as double number minus minus and system.out.println double number after decrement. plus double number and run the program. Oh, you can see here now in number after increment is 11. It's 10 before. And we have double number after decrement as 9. It's also 10 before. And let's create a blank line. Okay, now we will do some relational and logical operator. In relational and logical operator, we have double equal sign as equal and exclamation mark and single equal sign as in equal. We also have less than, greater than, less than or equal, and greater than or equal. We also have two ampersand as and two vertical bar as R. And we also have the outcome of the relational and logical operators here as true or false. It's related to Boolean. So in the demo, I will explain to you how these operators work. Let's create a Boolean variable. Boolean result assignment true and true, and we print it out. Dot print line true and true plus result. And now run the project. We have true and the result of them is true. Next, I will change the value of result as result assignment true and false. System.out.println true and false plus result. And we got false here. Why is this? Because we have the first condition is true, but the second one is false. So with the AND operator, if one of the condition or operand is false, the overall result of operation will be false. So next, I will do result assignment false and true. System.out.println false and true plus result. And next one, result assignment false and false. System.out.println false and false plus result. And I will create a blank line. Okay, let's run the project. You can see here, when we have false and true, the outcome is also false. Because with an operator, firstly, it will check the first operand. If the first operand is true, it will check the second operand. So if the second operand is true too, the overcome result will be true. If the second operand is false, the overall result will be false. However, if the first operand is false, no matter what is the value of the second operand, the result will be false. So we have false and true. And operator only check the first operand. The first operand is false, so the result is false. For the false and false, it's obvious false. It's an operator. So what about OR operator? Or I will do result assignment true and two vertical bar SR true and system.out.println true. or true, plus result. Result assignment true or false. System.out.println true or false, and plus result. Next, result assignment false, true, and system.out.println false or true, plus result, and final is result assignment false or false, and system.out.println false or false, plus result, and I will create a blank line. Okay, let's run the project. And now you can see here true or true, the result is true. True or false, true. False, true, the result is true. So every results are true, but the result of false and false. So why is this? Because with OR, it just needs one true to be true. So we have true, true, the result is true. With true, false, because the first operand is true, so the OR operator doesn't need to check the second operator, but go ahead and give the result as true. False and true, because the first operand is false, so the OR operator will check the second operator, and the second operator is true, so the overall result is true. With false, after the first operand is false, the OR operator checks the value of second operand, and the second operand is false, so the overall result is false. To summary, with the AND operator, it will check the first operand. If the first operand is true, it will check the second operand. The second operand is true, so the overall is true. If it's false, the result is false. However, if the first operand is false, they will immediately give the result is false. In opposite, with the OR operator, they also check the first operand first. If it's true, it will give the result is true. But if the first operand is false, the OR operator will check the second operand. If it's true, the result is true. But if it's false, the result will be false. Let's do some more example to be specific about AND and OR operator. I will declare a new variable as int number, assignment 25, and I will do system.out.println and open parenthesis as number equals 0, closing the first parenthesis, and end, and open the second parenthesis, number modulus 2 in equal 0. Let's run the program. So we have the result false here because the program checked the value of number equals 0. We know that the value of number is 25, not 0. So the condition number equals 0 is false. The program don't need to check the number modulus 2 anymore. It just gives the overall result is false. So we got the outcome of false here. Next, let's do system.out.println number in equal 0 and number modulus 2 not equal 0, and run the program. Now we got true, Because we have number in equal 0 is true. So the first condition is true. The AND operator will check the second condition. We have number modulus 2. We know that number is 25 because the remainder of 25 divided 2 is 1. And 1 is not equal 0. So it's true. We have both condition 1 and condition 2 are true. So the result is true. Next, I will do system.out.println number not equal 0 and number modulus 2 equal 0 and run project. Now we got false because number is not equal 0, so the first condition is true. However, in the second condition, number modulus 2 is equal 1, but we test it equal 0, so the second condition, this one is false. So that's why with true and false, we got the result false. Okay, let's print a blank line here. Next, I will do some demo with our operation. First, system.out.println number equals 0 or number modulus 2 in equals 0 and run the program. Now I got true because number equals 0, but we know that number is 25, so it's not equal 0, so the first condition is false. However, in the second condition, we have number modulus 2 which is equal 1, so it's not equal 0, so the second condition is true. With false or true, we got the result is true. Next, I have system.out.println number in equal 0 or number modulus 2 equal 0. Print the result. Now we also got true here. Because the number in equal 0, the first condition is true. So with the OR operator, it will not do anymore. It stops here because one of the two conditions is true. So it doesn't matter what is the result of the second condition, number modulus 2. The OR operation will give the result is true. And finally, I will do system.out.println number equals 0 and number modulus 2 equals 0 and run the project. Now we got the result false because the first condition, number equals 0, is false, and the second condition is number modulus 2 equals 0 is also false too. So we have false or false, it will be false. Thank you. I will also have a little challenge for you. Let's practice together. Please check it out below. If you have any question or feedback and comment to me, please write it below. Thank you.